Today in this video, I'll show you how to set up a two-card GA4 Ecommerce Event Tracking via GTM. So let's start. Go to the Google Tag Manager account. First of all, preview your site. That's why I select preview, connect, and select your choiceful product. Like I select shoes. Select your color. Like I select red color and click add to cart. When people to add to cart click, then go back your tag assistant. Then hopefully you can see add to cart is fired. Then go to the data layer and you can see this variable is show. Okay. Then I need a add to cart to need a parameter is currency items value. Already I set up this variable. So go to the tag and new tag configuration, Google Analytics, GA4 event, select your measurement ID. This I select second pattern and GA4 measurement ID, and you can see this is probably found in this container, right? This is probably working. So again go back and go to the event name, just copy and paste event name, and you need a event parameter, right? So just select, and first one need a currency, value, and items, right? And just select your currency, DLV currency, and value and items, right? So DLV item. Okay, need a trigger and need a custom trigger. That's why I select plus icon and trigger configuration and select custom event. I need a add to cart trigger. This I select add to cart trigger and type add to cart trigger. Select this name and I need a tag name. This I select GA4 add to cart tag. So okay, then save, submit. Again go to the your debug view section and close this website and go to the workspace and just select preview again, connect and choose your product. I like choose in shoes, right click choose, and I need a add to cart action. That's why I select just add to cart, go back, and you can see when I click add to cart button, then tag assistant to show GA4 add to cart tag is fired, right? So go to the your analytics account and you can see your debug view section. Hopefully you can see is properly working, right? Yeah, you can see view item and add to cart is properly fired, and you can select your add to cart first of all and select just variable. Hopefully you can see value is working, currency is working, and items IDs work. So thank you so much for watch my video. If you need any help, you can feel free contact me. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.